Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you play Send My Love on the clarinet. This upbeat pop song offers a fantastic opportunity to develop your musicality and technique. We will break down the essential components, from understanding the rhythm to mastering the catchy melody. Get ready to enhance your clarinet skills and enjoy playing this engaging piece with confidence and expression. Let's start with the basics. Send My Love has a moderate tempo of 82 beats per minute, giving it a steady, danceable feel. The time signature is common time, or 4/4, meaning there are 4 quarter notes per measure. For clarinetists, we will focus on playing this piece in the key of C major, which is a comfortable key with no sharps or flats to navigate. Now let's dive into the melody. The main theme often features notes like G, A, and B in the middle register of the clarinet. Practice the rhythmic syncopation carefully to capture the song's distinctive groove. For the verses, aim for a light, slightly detached articulation. When you reach the chorus, connect your phrases smoothly, allowing the melody to sing out with a fuller, more expressive tone. To truly master Send My Love, consistent practice is key. Begin by practicing slowly with a metronome at around 60 beats per minute, gradually increasing the tempo. Break the song into smaller 4-measure sections to focus on challenging parts. Listen to the original recording frequently to internalize the song's feel and phrasing. Remember to maintain a consistent, warm clarinet tone for a beautiful performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.